Dear students, now we will study the atomic and molecular masses. So what is the definition of it? The atomic mass of an element is defined as the average relative mass of an atom of an element as compared to the mass of an atom of carbon 12C taken as 12. Or in other words, what we can say, that atomic mass is a number which expresses as to how many times an atom of the element is heavier than 1/12th of the mass of carbon atom, that is 12C. Therefore, we can say that atomic mass is equal to mass of an atom divided by 1/12th the mass of a carbon atom, that is 12C. This scale of relative mass of atom is called atomic mass unit scale and is abbreviated as AMU. However, nowadays the new symbol is also used, which is known as U. Now in this system, 12C is assigned a mass of exactly 12 atomic mass units. Or in other words, what we can say, that one atomic mass unit is defined as the quantity of mass equal to 1/12th of the mass of an atom of carbon, which is 12C, and mass of 1 AMU has been calculated, and it is found that 1 AMU is equal to 1.66056 into 10 raised to power minus 24 grams. So you have to remember this value. So according to this value, now we can calculate the masses of the different elements, different atoms of the different elements. Suppose we want to calculate the mass of the hydrogen atom. So how we can do? Mass of an atom of hydrogen is equal to 1.6736 into 10 raised to minus 24 grams. So the mass of the one atom of hydrogen in terms of atomic mass unit is given by 1.6736 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram divided by the value of the 1 AMU, which is 1.66056 into 10 raised to minus 24 grams. And in this way, the mass of the hydrogen atom comes out to be 1.008 AMU. In the same way, we can calculate the mass of the different atoms. For example, mass of the oxygen atom comes out to be 16U, and mass of the nitrogen atom comes to be 14U. So there is a table in which you can see the elements, symbols and their atomic masses, which we have calculated in the same way which I have described you just now. So this is about the atomic mass unit. Now we'll do the molecular mass. Like atoms, the actual masses of the molecules are also very small and cannot be measured by actually weighing it. So like atomic masses, molecular masses are also expressed relative to the stable isotope of carbon, that is 12C, having mass number equal to 12. So how we can define the molecular mass? That the average relative mass of its molecule as compared to the mass of an atom of carbon 12C taken as 12. So in this way we can calculate the molecular masses of the different molecules. And how we can calculate the molecular masses from the atomic masses? Now we can take some examples. Take the example of methane. You know, methane, the formula of the methane is CH4. So how we can calculate the molecular mass of methane? The molecular mass of methane is equal to atomic mass of carbon plus 4 times the atomic mass of hydrogen. When we take exact values of the atomic mass units, then the atomic mass of carbon is 12.001 and plus 4 times the atomic mass of the hydrogen, which is 1.008. So when we calculate it, it comes out to be 16.033 U. But for simplicity, we take the rounded values of the atomic masses of elements, such as for carbon we take it as 12, for hydrogen we take it as 1, and for oxygen it is equal to 16. Now let's take some other examples. Take the example of the carbon dioxide. Now the formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. So the molecular mass of carbon dioxide is equal to atomic mass of carbon plus 2 times the atomic mass of oxygen. So this will become 12 plus 2 into 16, which is 44 U. Now we can take one another example. The molecular mass of sulfuric acid H2SO4 is equal to 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus atomic mass of sulfur plus 4 times the atomic mass of oxygen. It will become equal to 2 into 1 plus 32 plus 4 into 16, which is 98 U. So the molecular mass of sulfuric acid is 98 U. The same way, let's calculate the molecular mass of sucrose, and the formula for sucrose is C12H22O11. So the molecular mass of sucrose will become 12 into atomic mass of carbon plus 22 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 11 into atomic mass of oxygen, which is equal to 12 into 12 plus 22 into 1 plus 11 into 16, which is equal to 342 units. So in this way we can calculate the molecular mass of any molecule taking the atomic masses into consideration. What the gram molecular mass or gram molecule means. The molecular mass of a substance expressed in grams is called gram molecular mass. This amount of a substance is also known as 1 gram molecule. For example, the molecular mass of oxygen is 32 and therefore its gram molecular mass or gram molecule is 32 gram. And it may be remembered that gram atomic mass is equal to atomic mass expressed in grams, which is also called as gram atom. Gram molecular mass is equal to molecular mass expressed in grams, that is the gram molecule. For example, gram atomic mass of oxygen or gram atom of oxygen is 16 gram only, and gram molecular mass of oxygen O2 or gram molecule is 32 grams. So when we take the mass of only one atom in gram, that is called as gram atomic mass, and when we take the mass of the molecule in grams, then that is called as molecular gram weight. So thank you.